customer engagement. Now a question arises that why do we talk so much about customer engagement? Engaged customers, why required? What is the importance of engaged customer? And what benefit do we get when we engage the customer? Because engaging customer comes with cost. Nothing comes without cost. Even if you are doing marketing, if you are doing marketing on social platforms, you have to put in some money. Instagram also, if we are advertising, we do have to pay. So the main importance of engaging customers is that engaged customers are good for business, and as I told you that they become brand advocate. When they become brand advocate means what happens is they have started fallen in love with the product. Basically, when we buy a product, that means we have started loving the product. We cannot live without it. A very small and a simple example I'll give you, which is in everybody's life. All of you must be drinking tea or coffee in the morning. Huh? So when you drink tea and coffee, there is always a brand we go with. This is the basic thing which everybody goes with the brand. If you are drinking a coffee of Nescafe, Brew, whatever coffee you drink, you will go for same brand. You will not change. Similarly, what you do is in case of tea, कि भाई हम कौन सी बाघ बकरी चाय पी रहे हैं, काला घोड़ा लाल घोड़ा चाय पी रहे हैं, टाटा टी पी रहे हैं. Basically, there are people who are very specific about tea. They will have for flavor leaves, and for taste they will have small tea. So that is a combination which they will make. So people are very adamant, as well as they are very particular about their drink, especially tea and coffee. Now here also that means what have they become? They have become brand advocates. And how they have become brand advocates is they are strictly, adamantly attached to that product. So क्या हो गया, आपका attachment से love हो गया. और love होने से क्या हो गया, हम उस चाय को छोड़ ही नहीं सकते. I have seen people, and you must have seen a lot of memes where they say that husband and wife married for more than 60 years together, but still their cup of tea or coffee is not same. That means their choices for tea and coffee is different, and that is one thing which really creates, even sometimes people get annoyed if they don't get good tea and coffee. This happens with us also, with me also. अगर थोड़ी सी भी चाय ऊपर नीचे हो गया, ऐसे यार चाय नहीं अच्छी. So this is with everybody. So that is why you want an engaged customer. So here this is a case of 100% engagement. टी कॉम्बिनेशन, मिल्क ज़्यादा चाहिए, चाय कम चाहिए, मसाला चाहिए, कितनी सारी चीज़ें करके वो टी ब्रू होती है ना. और वो टी इतनी स्पेसिफिक है कि जब तक आपने अपने पसंद की टी नहीं पी है, यू विल नॉट लाइक इट. इवन इफ यू गो आउट एंड हैव टी, यू विल कम होम एंड हैव टी. इवनिंग टी जनरली, जैसे हम कहीं गए होते हैं, हमने कहीं पिए ना, तो आजकल व्हेन आई गो समवेयर आई अवॉइड टी, क्योंकि आई एम नॉट ड्रिंकिंग मच ऑफ टी. सो ऐसे रहने दो यार, घर जाके तो पीनी है. तो वो घर जाके क्यों पीनी है? क्योंकि आपकी अपनी पसंद की और अपनी चाय है वो. So now you understand what is engaged customer, what is importance of customers. Then if you like a particular thing, you will spend money on that. Irrespective of the rate of your tea increases, Nescafe coffee rates have increased. What you do is you will buy that only. Because you are engaged with the product, you will buy that product. When you become brand conscious, irrespective of the rates, we will buy. What we can do is we can cut down on variety, but we will buy. Another is that is easier to retain if the customer is engaged. He will not move here and there. Specifically, this is more with the food habits and services. हो सकता है जब हम wearing है हमारी, उसमें we want to change. We may go for some variety, so we can hop on the brand also, or we can be engaged with another company for the time being. But for the products, like when we talk of food, edible items, most of the time you will see that people are engaged with a similar product. Because their quality and taste, the saliva will only be happy when they have their own light product. जैसे तो कहते हैं ना घर जैसा खाना. What is घर जैसा खाना? आप छो को अपने घर का खाना अच्छा लगता होगा ना, है ना? मुझे मेरे घर का. So it doesn't mean कि specifically किसी का खाना अच्छा है या बुरा, but what we have been eating, that is engaged us with that food of ours specifically. Okay. Now then, when you start liking something, you are talking of that. जैसे क्या हुआ, हम फ्लैमिंगो गए जैसे, तो we liked its pizza first stage में. अभी तो देयर कुक है stage, तो last time we went, we were not much happy and satisfied. My husband is very particular for food, and he himself like cooking, and also when he went with us for first time to Flamingo, he also liked their food and paneer tikka and what all. So he was happy, but second time when we went, so he was not satisfied. So But when we were satisfied, we told everybody, okay, it's good restaurant. Even food served is good. Ambience is okay, but more their food was good. So you refer it to your context. If you are wearing a shoe, you see that durability is good. You are liking the shoe. Comfort zone is good. You will say, नहीं यार देखिए जूता बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे 2-3 बार I'll talk. Jैसे I've been wearing catwalk since 4-5 years. Other brands also I wear because I go to Bombay often and that's a very popular brand of catwalk. Not very expensive, Adidas, Puma जैसे ही brand है. But here people don't know. But I'll say नहीं यार I wore a shoe for 3,000 at 3 years worth 3,500 but I had to throw it. वो उसको कुछ नहीं बिगड़ा. तो बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें होती है जब क्या होता है हमें अच्छी लगती है हम रेफर करते हैं. Hotels is word of mouth. Service industry is totally word of mouth. Keep this in mind. Even after so much of your social media, what you are doing on Facebook is suppose I post my photos when I go somewhere, I'm dining somewhere. What I do is I post photo that is word of mouth. That is I'm referring it to my contacts. And there are few personalities I tell you they always have an impact on the society. Suppose we go out like we have a holiday last week, so we went for 3 days to Udaipur. I had posted my photos on Facebook. So all friends and all they started, kahan gaye the, kya hua? And then people have something at their subtle mind. Then it pops up and they start planning because 3 days holidays आ गए अभी आपका 24th कल Sunday था, आज Monday working and 26th. So people have lot of people have gone for outing, and almost all the hotels you will find are now overbooked. So this is basically referring to the contacts on your note. Now what are the 5 simple ways to engage customer? We have already done this. है ना? Now how will you develop a customer engagement strategy? Engagement strategy we have done. Rollout strategy, measure success and evolve.
Rollout strategy.
No, I know. We have done. Developing customer engagement. I was just discussing overall. There are 3 points. First of all, define action. There are no foolproof formulas to engage a customer because it happens by the way also. Keep this in mind. It will happen by the way also. करते करते हम कुछ ऐसा कर जाते हैं कंपनी प्रोडक्ट कुछ ऐसा कर देता है कि यू स्टार्ट लाइकिंग इट. जैसे सपोज आई यूज्ड टू लाइक नेस्कैफे कॉफी बट बिकॉज ऑफ द टेस्ट ऑफ ब्रू स्ट्रॉन्ग करते करते आई शिफ्टेड. तो इसी तरह से क्या होती है कोई हमारा अपैरल है वॉच है कभी डिजाइन मेक्स यू शिफ्ट. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज यू हैव टू ऑलवेज change your actions or define what you will be doing. In defining the action is there may be a strategy to be flexible, there may be an action to add on new products. क्योंकि हो सकता है हमें कंपनी तो टाइटन अच्छी लगती है वॉच के लिए पर उसमें हमको मॉडल्स चेंज चाहिए कुछ नया चाहिए. सो यू हैव टू डिफाइन एक्शन. व्हाट विल बी योर प्लान ऑफ एक्शन फॉर एंगेजिंग द कस्टमर आफ्टर सेल सर्विस. क्वालिटी. सपोज यू आर नोन फॉर क्वालिटी लाइक टाइटन इज नोन फॉर क्वालिटी. Similar quality over a period of time, so they will always want that even if it is a fashion model, even if it is a low priced model, but quality should be good. The watch should not stop. समझ गए ना. उसमें कोई खराबी नहीं होनी चाहिए. हो सकता है उसकी रेट कम हो तो उसका एस्थेटिक सेंस कम हो जाए, उसका एम्बियंस कम हो जाए, उसकी ब्यूटी कम हो जाए, डायमंड नहीं हो, बट क्वालिटी शुड बी देयर. So that is again one of your very important action and that comes with every brand. आजकल ब्रांड में हमको क्या चाहिए. अगर आपने कोई जूता खरीद लिया जो एसएस इज नाउ कमिंग अप एज अ गुड ब्रांड हायर एंड ब्रांड यूथ में बहुत पॉपुलर हो रहा है. महंगा है पर पॉपुलर हो रहा है. बट देन व्हाट डू यू गेट आउट ऑफ दैट. एसएस में आपको क्या मिलता है.
क्वालिटी.
क्वालिटी एंड
द मिडसोल कंफर्ट मैम उसका
मिडसोल कंफर्ट. अनदर थिंग इज स्टेटस आल्सो. अभी जो इसमें एक चीज है एसएस है क्योंकि इंडिया में रिसेंटली यूथ में पॉपुलर हुआ है. प्यूमा एडिडास नाइकी इनसे थोड़ा हायर रेंज ब्रांड है सेगमेंट. तो नाउ यूथ फील स्टेटस ओरिएंटेड आल्सो है ना. तो वो आपको डिफाइन इनडायरेक्टली और डायरेक्टली प्रोडक्ट में द एक्शन हैज टू बी डिफाइंड. देन रोल आउट स्ट्रेटेजी. रोल आउट स्ट्रेटेजी इज यू विल वर्क ऑन व्हाट. It may be discounting schemes, it may be bonus points, it may be giving some acknowledgement. So it has to be a strategy on which you have to work. That every company does. And now you know what people, especially in India, they know the customer. उनको लगता है customer price oriented बहुत है यहाँ पे, है
Yes, ma'am.
प्राइस ओरिएंटेड है तो वो क्या करते हैं, इवन विद द हाईएस्ट ऑफ द ब्रांड्स यू विल फाइंड देयर इज ऑलवेज सम डिस्काउंटिंग स्कीम. अभी जैसे आपका हाईएस्ट डिस्काउंट चल रहा है 26 तक,
Yes, ma'am.
सारी जगह आप देखिए 50, 70, 50 plus 25. So everybody is offering, and they are then on that. Trends has picked up a great market. Reliance Trends with their rollout strategies that they always give you things in discount. On top of that, they give you some bonus point, or you can say they are giving you some worth of, like, say if you say, buy products worth 3,500, you will get coupons worth 2,500. And into that, what they are trying to do is they are trying to engross you and retain you. जब आपको 2500 के कूपन दे रहे हैं तो उसमें 5000 की शॉपिंग तो फिर करनी पड़ेगी आप. But customer calculates that it is very cheap. So similarly, all products now, even Zara has come up with lot of discounting schemes. Almost all higher end brands हैं, जैसे Iconic जाएंगे तो वहाँ पे आपको हरदम कुछ ना कुछ discounted product मिलेगा. So this is their basically rollout strategy to engage the customer. Then measure success and involve. That is very important. Like I told you in the project, that until and unless we don't measure, and we don't find out that where had been the loophole, why we are not successful, or which is the better successful method, you cannot work in a rightful direction. You know, one thing which I have learned in recent years, I was talking to somebody, then some I think designer थी, या मुझे याद नहीं किसी से मैं बात कर रही थी, तो ऐसे ही बात करी कि you can only succeed if you know how to improve your product which has been spoiled. आपको ये आना बहुत जरूरी है कि अगर कोई चीज बनाते हुए खराब हो गई है तो उसे हम कैसे ठीक कर सकते हैं. So until and unless you will not measure the success and evolve out by coming out of it, you are trying to repair what has gone wrong. So repair is also again a very important part. Repair here doesn't mean that repairing a shoe or repairing a apparel. Repair here means that your strategy, where it was wrong. और maybe at times everything is right. जो आज के मार्केट्स में हम देख रहे हैं सर्वे वगैरह में सब कुछ सही है, पर लोगों को अवेयरनेस नहीं हुई प्रोडक्ट की. Another thing, even if awareness is there, people have not picked up your product and not used it. Best of the quality products get out of the market.
Yes, ma'am.
So उसके लिए here this is not part of customer engagement, but I am giving you a tip. Always work on a product which is already existing in the market. Startup is never to start with a new thing. iPod was given by Apple, so it could conquer the world for only 5-6 years. iPod was very short-lived, and iPod was never a product because though both Steve Jobs and his friend used to listen song with attaching their earphones to computer chip, they thought, oh, okay, why not come up with this product, let us start. And they started and they sold it at such a high rate, and it became so successful in the market. At that time everybody was with iPod, all the companies came in the market and flourished, and within 5 to 6 years that product collapsed. So its product life cycle was very small there. It took birth fast, it grew fast, and it collapsed fast. That means it matured and was dead. Because then phone became the alternate. So आपको क्यों चाहिए iPod? उसको पहले तो देखिए it was a status symbol to have a iPod. उसमें डिजिटल भी आ गया, उसमें फिर सॉन्ग्स भी अंदर मूव करते थे, तो बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें थी देख के. So that was successful because Apple name was there. So people thought what comes with Apple is successful, and once it was successful and popularly known in the market, other brands came. But for a startup to do this, you will be a loser always, because it requires lot of money for establishing your product in the market, for creating and establishing a brand and making the product reach to the customers, because distribution circle and network is very very big. मैं आपको नहीं बताती थी प्रोडक्ट की जो मटेरियल कॉस्ट इज ओनली 0.10% in some, or up to say 20%. Rest all is your marketing and supply chain cost. वो इतनी बड़ी कॉस्ट है कि आप नई चीज तो उतारते हो मार्केट में एज अ स्टार्टअप, तो यू विल बी 99% आप फेलियर है. सो फॉलो द लीड, फॉलो द मास्टर, then also there are the chances you can succeed. But in today's market, it is very difficult. Big fish only will survive. You can be a person who can be supplying your product to the ultimate producer. अब mid products हैं, कुछ basically the products which are not finished goods, semi-finished goods can be given to the companies who are creating the finished goods. जैसे when we talk of Colgate की कैप कोई और बनाता है, ट्यूब कोई और बनाता है. They're not doing it. They're just somebody is filling and marketing, but the name works. The people who just make it cap are also multimillionaires. क्योंकि उन्हें कुछ करना ही नहीं है, उनको required cap को बनाना है बस. वो कंपनी से डील है. They will sell it. They don't have anything, any established work. And ऐसे बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, जैसे आपके जूतों के सोल कोई और कंपनी बनाती है. अब तो इतना ज़्यादा कस्टमाइजेशन हो गया है, and basically everything is done on job. Simple examples. पैसे पहले when there used to be weddings, तो जो हलवाई था पनीर भी हलवाई बनाता था. अब नहीं बनाते. कोई भी क्रीम पनीर, इवन आपको पता है आजकल they will ask you for the purees. इसीलिए तो आपकी कॉस्ट ऑफ फूड इतनी हाई हो गई है, क्योंकि हर एंड पे आप प्रॉफिट दे रहे हो. पहले आप किसको प्रॉफिट देते थे? केवल हलवाई को. अब आपने क्या किया? बाजार से पनीर लाया, उसने अपना प्रॉफिट और फ्लक्चुएशन ले लिया. फिर आप जो मसाले लेके आ रहे हैं ग्रेवी, उसने अपना प्रॉफिट ले लिया. जितने आप देखेंगे ना जूस के डब्बे, रियल जूस, ये मॉकटेल्स कॉकटेल्स बनती है, दे डोंट मेक फ्रेश जूस until and unless somebody is particular. They will buy everything from the market. So at every end there is profit, and finally when it adds to the cost becomes very high. So this is the changing world, and you have to work accordingly. अब जैसे आप देखिए soles, there are companies who are manufacturing sole manufacturing. The machine are very expensive and big setups. So if you have put in a setup of something like say 1 to 5 crores, now what he will do is until and unless he don't supply soles to all the big companies या small companies, he cannot survive. मशीन को 24/7 नहीं चलेगा नहीं, और वो 1 घंटे में 1000 सोल बना देती है. तो करोगे भी क्या? आप कैसे बेचोगे इतने सोल को? तो अब जो मशीनरी और सेटअप्स है उसमें you have to assemble yourself, or you have to combine and work in a team. अब हम सोचे कि हम नेक्स्ट से, जैसे कि शुरुआत से फर्स्ट पॉइंट से लेके लास्ट पॉइंट तक प्रोडक्ट हम बना लें, 80% प्रोडक्ट ऐसे नहीं बनते. यू हैव टू प्रोक्योर मटेरियल एट ईच लेवल. ओके, नाउ हाउ विल यू मेजर कस्टमर एंगेजमेंट? There are some strategies for engaging customers are more impactful than others. Then you will have to come to know that whether really customers are engaged. Even if they are engaged, they are doing some kind of purchasing, they are loyal to you or not, and that you can do through active community members. See that the customers are engaged. Word of mouth measurement हो जाता है. फिर social media activity, people are posting their photos, people are posting your products, liking your products. Customer referrals, जो मैंने कहा that you will refer it to the other people in your contact list. Then emails open and click throughs, net promoter score, retention and churn. So these are basically how you will measure the customer engagement. Then this is build better relationship with the customer engagement software. Support customers everywhere. Provide support on Facebook and Twitter without leaving your help desk. In an age where 2.6 billion people use social media to actively communicate, offering customer support where your customer need is of paramount importance. Why these all came up? Your all centers, call centers. These are cost to the companies, but that was important. If you would not have call centers, people feel that they are lost. They have nobody to talk to. And in few products, people do go to customer care. हो सकता है हम लोग नहीं बात करते हैं, but लोग बात बहुत जगह customer care पे बात करते हैं. They have some dissatisfactions. They will ask, and especially when you are buying a product which is very expensive and it is not our budget. Suppose I cannot buy a Mercedes as such, but I anyhow create a budget to buy a Mercedes. I will somehow earn some extra, I will save extra, and then I will plan. So if I have problem with that car, I will always stop because it was not my budget. So similarly, when a person who can buy only 500 shoe is buying a shoe worth 2000, He will be dissatisfied if he doesn't get good response. If the shoe does not come out of the quality what he thought. So बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें कि for that you need to have support customers everywhere. Knowledge based repository. Create a knowledge base of FAQs जैसे हर एक में देखते हैं ना आजकल
Yes, ma'am.
and useful tips so that customer can find that answer without talking to us. Why FAQs? पहले क्या होता था? Initially we used to see these FAQs. I used to think, why do they write questions themselves and why do they write answers? Then I realized that these may be the basic question in the mind of every customer, and automatically they are solved. Once they are solved, automatically you don't get frustrated. Otherwise, when you have put in some money, when you have put in your saved money, precious money, and you feel you are cheated, you do not get the product which you perceived in your mind. हो सकता है product तो कुछ और, पर कितनी बार क्या होता है जब हम कुछ लेने वाले होते हैं ना हम बहुत कुछ perceive कर लेते हैं. So according to perception अगर वो चीजें हमारे को नहीं मिलती है, satisfy नहीं करती है, तो you get very upset, and in that phase you talk to customer care, you talk to your referrals, you talk to, देखो दोनों ही चीजें word of mouth की खराब है, अच्छा भी और बुरा भी. अगर तुमको अच्छा नहीं मिला है तो भी तुम बोलोगे, अच्छा मिला है तो भी बोलोगे.
Yes, ma'am.
तो अच्छा नहीं मिलने से जो नेगेटिविटी आती है ना वो सबसे खराब होती है. Then community forums, create a platform where customers can interact with you, help. If there is any help required, you can give them tips and insights. How customers feels about can be decisive factor when a prospective buyer is considering your brand. जो आपका आता है ना previous reviews.
Yes, ma'am.
That is that. Depending on the review, you again think whether you should buy a product or not. Instant customer support, like you can mail to the your
Customer
unit. Customers can mail to the company, to their customer care centers, and then they get the response. So basically, this was all your customer engagement. I think we did it in great detail.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll send you these